poured hours into creating a lead magnet, only to be met with silence? No signups, no new leads, just crickets. Before you toss your hard work into the bad idea bin, let's pause and take a closer look. The truth is, your lead magnet might not be the problem at all. Often, it's simply a matter of not getting enough of the right eyes on your offer. If you're only posting a couple of times a week on social media, and just 5 to 10% of your followers see it, that's not enough to move the needle. In this video, we'll break down exactly why your lead magnet isn't converting and what you can do to turn things around. Ready to find out what's really holding you back? Let's dive in. Let's talk about traffic, the lifeblood of any lead magnet. You might have the best freebie in the world, but if no one sees it, no one will sign up. Here's a simple formula. To get 100 leads at a 20% conversion rate, you need about 500 visitors. But it's not just about more traffic, it's about the right traffic. Show up where your audience hangs out. Think Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or niche forums. Repurpose your content across platforms. Sprinkle in some SEO, so Google and YouTube can send people your way. And don't forget to collaborate with others in your space. Even passive plugs, like adding your lead magnet to your email signature or LinkedIn bio, can make a difference. The key is to consistently get your offer in front of the right people. Now that you're driving the right traffic, let's make sure your lead magnet is irresistible. First, does your offer solve an urgent problem? Sometimes it's just a matter of tweaking the topic or giving it a more compelling name. For example, the 3-step debt snowball plan that actually works is way more clickable than a generic get-out-of-debt guide. Next, consider the format. People love quick wins, so make it easy to consume and visually appealing. Your call to action should spark curiosity and excitement, not just say, "Download my free guide." And don't forget your landing page. It should grab attention, clearly show the benefit, and build trust with a short About You section. Keep testing. Ask your audience what they want, and stay consistent. Small changes can lead to big results. To wrap up, remember, your lead magnet probably doesn't suck. It just needs a little love. Focus on getting more of the right traffic, tweak your topic and presentation, and keep testing what works. Ask your audience for feedback, and keep showing up with value. Over time, trust builds, and so do your signups. Don't give up on your lead magnet just yet. With a few small changes, you'll see big results. Ready to dust off that lead magnet and make it work for you? Let's get started.